All right, I don't think we've ever sent out an intraday idea before, but this one's interesting enough, and who knows if I'll get it out in time. BSDM, remember this crazy move? By the way, hog never triggered, but I will send out the hog follow-up and what we did do with it today in today's after hours wrap-up video. But I wanted to share BSDM. Remember this crazy move? And it pretty much held it, and we made several trades in this. Well, then this high here, 345, okay? And then it looked like it was rolling over. I think yesterday we might have trapped some shorts in this one. It's a little bit thinner stock, but it's been pretty good to GSP members. Looked like it was rolling over, then today gaps up. And now let's go to like 15-minute candles. Here's what we're looking at on an intraday basis in our chat room. Over 335, these are 15-minute candles, last few days trading. Over 335, in other words 336, very good chance we get through the high of the day, 338. You know we liked stacked catalysts. And we called this, let me switch to fives. Just took a position on the break of this base in the chat room around 328, 329. Worst case stop, low of day. Again, so I love the fact that it put in a lower high here. And now you've got a new catalyst, 336. I will add if it gets to 336 because then a good chance we get through the high of the day, 338. And then these are 30-minute candles. I'll just make them 60s. And over 338, a new high of day. You have to try to picture it here. Get my drawing tool. Try to picture BSDM at 338. What do you have to the left? Just this 345. So we're calling this as an ad in our chat. Oh, it's not working until I get the drawing tool off there. We're calling this as an ad in our chat if it gets to 336. I think we start knocking down dominoes. We've got 338, new high of day after that. And then you've just got a couple recent highs, 345, and through that you can imagine maybe even it takes out this high. So, you know, could go parabolic on us. The reason I like the setup is because of that crazy daily chart, and 336, find it very hard to believe it takes out 336 and doesn't take out the high of the day and start knocking down those other highs. So even as a new trade, 336 maybe with a stop below this base. Again, we grabbed it about 329. I'm going to add if it gets to 336. My worst case stop from now is low of the day to give it some wiggle room. So there's kind of an intraday call. We've never done that before, but you have stacked catalysts here, and so BSDM, that a couple, up over this area, good chance it gets through here and maybe even through this. That coupled with the fact that I think we sucked in some shorts down here yesterday, then a surprise gap up today. Shorts always try to pound on these things, these low price stocks that make these moves. There is money to be made in that, but there's also money to be lost in that because this is a lower float stock and could really get going over 336. Worst case stop, if you take this, I would say low of day. I'm sorry, over 335. So 336, worst case stop, 317. And really I would recommend if it stays in this base and then breaks out, maybe even a 324 stop below this candle here. So. All right, the first intraday alert we've ever sent out. We'll see how it goes, and we'll follow up on this in tonight's wrap-up video. Have a good night, or have a good day.